Alright, so let's quickly talk about some rules that will help you to have a better learning experience along the course. So first of all, if I'm speaking too fast or too slow, under this video there is a setting that you can increase or decrease the speed. And also, if the quality of the video is not looking good for you, maybe sometimes it is blurry because of the internet, just put it on auto, and if your internet supports, it will jump on full HD quality and you can see everything very clear with details. All right, and along the way, if you face any problems, if you had any questions, you can just go to the question and answer section under the video. I think you can have access to the question and answer. Click there, you can search for the question, maybe someone else already asked it before, or you can write a new question for me. I will be happy to help you and to solve the problem. Also, you can go to our Facebook group, ask your questions there, so maybe we can talk about it in a live session or have a chat there, and other students benefited as well. Okay, rule number 4 is about certificate. So if you want to get the certificate of this course, you just have to complete all the lectures, and by the end, when every lecture is completed, you will see a cup icon, I think above the video somewhere. You can click on it and get your certificate. And the last thing is that as you go forward, Udemy will ask you to leave a feedback, to leave a review. If you feel that you're not ready, click on Ask Me Later. But the thing is that your feedback is extremely important for me, because it will help me to improve the course, to grow the course a way that you and other students have a better experience. So if you can, it will take less than 20 seconds. And if you feel that you are ready and if you have an opinion about the course, just when Udemy asks you about leaving a review, you can leave a review. That's up to you, from 1 to 5 star, and you can write something about it. If there is something good about the course or something bad about the course that you like or you don't like, you can tell me there. I will appreciate it a lot, and it will help me a lot in making this course much better for you. So that was all. If you are ready, let's begin our first lecture about building your social media marketing agency.